Good morning mga kaibigan kong mahal, friends, family, and relatives around the world. Today, we're diving into a simple yet soulful Filipino tradition, starting the day with a warm pandesal and a strong cup of black coffee. It's more than breakfast. It's comfort, connection, and culture in every bite and sip.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
Morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. How are you guys? Let's have breakfast. My hello, shout out everyone. Ethel, Allera here. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening across the sea. How are you guys? Let's have breakfast. I have here my leftover pandesal. Let's have coffee. And whether it's shared with family at the kitchen table or enjoyed alone in quiet reflection, this pairing has stood the test of time in Filipino homes. But why is this humble combo so beloved? Let's find out its story, health benefits, and why it continues to warm the hearts of millions. Let's eat. We have your pandesal. What is your pandesal? What is your breakfast? Let's have breakfast. Coffee. Bread and something filled inside this pandesal. How are you all, guys? How do you eat your breakfast? What do you prepare for your breakfast? Are you into having breakfast? Or like breakfast? Lelang, I just want to thank you everyone. I just want to thank everyone, each one of you guys around the world. And to all my subscribers, viewers, silent viewers, all of the viewers, to my teammates, and to lovely Ethel. Thank you. And to all the teams who supported me, thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support to my channel, Ethel. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. for that love, for the unconditional love, for the unending support. Thank you, everyone. I wouldn't be here, guys, without you. Kaya, cheers tayo sa coffee here and my breakfast. And yes, thank you as always, and thank you to keep watching. Thank you for being there for me as always since day one in this journey in White Flat to my YouTube channel, Ethel, Allera. And thank you for basta kasi you make me feel well. You make me feel strong. And you guys are the stars of my channel. You guys kept me moving, going. You guys motivate me a lot. And you are the reason why I kept on going and going and going. And yes, this is my Pandesal from Allera. Hindi naman siya sponsored. But then I love the Pandesal because it's cooked in pugon. So yes, I just want to thank everyone, to each and everyone you guys around. And of course, to all the people who send their support, their love, who share their blessings, thank you. I'm not gonna say it one by one, but you know already who you are, and thanks for that. Thank you to all my super thanks. Thank you to all my super stickers. Thank you to all my super chatters since day one in this journey. Thank you so much, and that would be a big help. We are only small YouTubers, guys, but with those blessings that they gave, it is a big help. It is a big help to our respective channels. Yes, it is a big help. And just keep going, stay strong, stay well, everyone, and we can make this. We can. Yes, we can. And cheers once again. So just thanking you all for not leaving me. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And I will see you. I will see you all around. And thank you. And thank you for the love and support, guys. So that would be all for today. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy. Health is well. Health is our wealth. God bless you all. And I will leave this to all of you guys. So let your faith be bigger than your fears. And Allera is my guys. See you all. Cheers to my black coffee. I love you all, guys. Health benefits of Pandesal and black coffee. 1. Quick source of energy. Pandesal is rich in carbohydrates, which fuel your body and brain. Perfect for starting your day. 2. Comfort food for the soul. It brings feelings of warmth and home, especially when eaten fresh from the bakery. 3. Mild in flavor. Easy to digest. It's soft and easy on the stomach, especially for seniors and kids. 4, it can be a vehicle for nutrition. You can fill it with protein like eggs, peanut, butter, or cheese to make it more balanced. For black coffee, no sugar, no cream. 1. Boost energy and alertness. Thanks to caffeine, it helps you stay focused and awake. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Black coffee contains powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and support brain and heart health. 3. May improve metabolism. It can help burn fat and increase physical performance. 4. Supports mental clarity. Coffee has been linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Cultural benefits. This is bonus. 1. Connection and bonding. Shared over morning conversations with loved ones. 2. Sense of routine. Brings peace and structure to your morning. 3. Cultural identity. It's a morning ritual that connects Filipinos across generations and regions. That's it for today. Heartwarming ritual, mga ka-healthy. If Pandesal and black coffee are part of your mornings, comment below and share your memories. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell so you never miss a slice of Filipino life and wellness. Only here on Ethel Allera. See you on the next one. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.